Easter is one of my favorite times of year to decorate. And this year I'm a little behind, getting a late start, but I love this garland that I have that I used at Christmas. And I love these stems that I picked up with beautiful spring colors and glitter. Of course, I love glitter. I'm going to reuse this garland that I used in the fall and in the winter for my mantels and decorations. It's my favorite garland. I just love it. And I thought it would make it so the mantle didn't seem too woodsy. Add some glam. These glorious big leaves I picked up on clearance, 75% off. I tend to get most of my decor items on clearance or after season to save money. I thought I would try where you focus on one side of the mantle more. I'm not sure if I like it as much, but I'm having fun and that's all that matters. I got this big glorious bow in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. There's a lot of good decor items in that section. It's coming along just fine. I just love it. My favorite little Easter decor piece. And I just picked up these eggs, these silver eggs. Looking good. Here's my butterflies. I just love these too. I haven't used these in a couple of years, so it's fun to get them out again. This big sign. I thought this would be perfect for the heavy side of the mantle. It's very festive. Adds a lot of color. It's really fun. When I pull it out, it makes me feel like Easter's here, spring is here. I'm going to add some of my sparkly eggs. I've had these for many years, since my kids were little. And I picked up these glorious butterfly ornaments after the holiday season as well. I've had this paper mache egg forever. I think I got it at a garage sale, like 25 cents years ago. Feel like I need to add something to that side. I love these little tin signs. They remind me of old Easter cards from when I was growing up. Lulu likes to watch me decorate. She always knows when I'm filming, and she starts to follow me around and watch me. Just looks beautiful. It's just a fun time to be with myself and my mind and just create beauty for my family and think about the holiday ahead.